I am Malim El Azhar, come from the Comoros Island. My mother has been sick for many years. She couldn't walk, she couldn't sleep. We took her to many hospitals in my country, but still no solutions. We received a lot of medicines, but no relief. Then I decided to look outside the country for solution. We first went to Egypt, stayed there for almost 1 month. Again, no solutions. Then I myself visit a hospital in Oman, and the doctor, he told me to meet Dr. Simon.
When she came, she could barely walk. She would be smiling when she would be sitting and talking to us, but once she started to walk, going to the washroom itself was a big problem. Whenever we see these patients, we realize usually the legs are folded towards the inside. But in her case, the legs were going outside. This is what we call a valgus knee. This is a little rare deformity to occur, and it is also very challenging to surgically correct it.
And he immediately recommended me both knee must be replaced. I think total knee replacement.
Sometimes when there is a valgus knee, we require specialized kind of implants as backups. But with good surgical technique, these specialized implants may not be needed.
And then the doctor explained to me the procedures, how long it will take, usually how the process go through.
So with good technique and robot with us to assist us, we were able to do her surgery with regular conventional implants.
And the surgery was extremely successful from all aspects.
After the surgery, she had some pain initially for a day or two, but then with her good confidence and my great physiotherapy team, she started to move around. She actually started going around the room, then in the corridor, then we made her climb a few stairs, and she was independent to go to the washroom, take a bath, have food on her own, and was relatively independent.
And more importantly, she doesn't have the type of pain she used to have before. She can sleep now. This is very, very great achievement for me and for her.
Kuria Mwenyezi Mungu alimshukuria oni madaktari wakaangalia nane maafirimia hao nane hospitali chombo ngufu ya uranga wandu haziwa wade rishukuria Mwenyezi Mungu na utume hahe rimshukuriani nizandani rishukuria Mwenyezi Mungu baraka hali tabani.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest healthcare updates.